In this video, we're going to show you how to perform an oil change on your INFINITI G37 X. Open up the hood, locate your oil dipstick. Going to pull this out, wipe this off. We're going to set it across the cover, and then grab the oil fill cap. I'm going to spin that off and set that aside. With the vehicle raised, we want to go ahead and remove this center engine cover here. Series of 10mm screws are on the perimeter. Ours is missing a couple here, but go ahead and remove the ones that you do have. We'll come up to the middle section here. Once you get your hardware out, go ahead and set that cover aside. With the splash shield removed, it gives us access to our oil pan right here. We use a 14mm socket. We have our catch can underneath. Let's go ahead and drain that oil here. Go ahead and remove your oil filter using a oil filter removal tool. Go ahead and spin off that filter. Use a towel or a cloth and wipe off the surface where the oil filter is going to be seated. Also wipe the oil pan where we removed the drain plug from. Before installing the drain plug, you do want to source a replacement gasket for this. Go ahead and thread that in. As for the oil filter, we want to go ahead and take some fresh engine oil, put some on the gasket itself, and we're also going to take some oil and fill up the filter probably about halfway, and then line that up and thread that on. Line up that filter, spin that on. Now the oil filter itself should never be more than hand tight. So go ahead, you can snug that down with your hand and then wipe any residual oil. I'm going to go ahead and torque down the oil pan bolt here to 25 foot-pounds. Install your hardware across the bottom of the bumper here into your splash shield. Just snug these down gently. We're going to continue this process until we get this all secured. Take a clean funnel, set that in place. Let's go ahead and start to add our engine oil. Now performing this oil change, it's going to take a total of 5.2 quarts of oil. Now that we've completed adding our 5.2 quarts of oil, go ahead and install our fill cap here. Insert our oil dipstick. At this point here, you want to hop into the vehicle. Start it up, let it run for about 15 to 20 seconds, shut it back down, and you're going to come back out here. Now you're going to let that oil set for a few minutes, and then go ahead and grab that dipstick. When you pull this up and out, what we're going to be looking for is we want to make sure that the oil is on the high mark here. If you're down by the low, you want to add a quart of oil, but we just filled it with the 5.2 quarts of oil as recommended per factory specs. Our oil is right on. Go ahead and start your vehicle. Now what we're looking for right now is the vehicle maintenance setting right here. And you can change through it through this 2-button setup here. Use the upper one. And you're going to scroll through so you can get to that screen in case you're not at it. Use the lower button to scroll down to maintenance. Upper button to get that. Lower button to go to engine oil. Upper button to select it. Then use the lower button to go down to setting. Upper button to grab that screen there. Now you're going to use the lower button to set the mileage. Now this here is using synthetic oil. We're going to set it to 5,000 miles. Upper button to select it. Now we're going to use the upper button to go back. Now we want to come down using the lower button to oil filter, upper button to select. Lower button to scroll down to setting, upper button to select it. Lower button to set it to 5,000 miles to match the oil life. Upper button to select. Upper button to go back. And one more time. And one more time to skip. Now at this point here, this is part one of a 2-part system. We're going to go over to the center dash over here. So come on over here to info. And we want to come down to maintenance. So we're going to use our lower button here and then enter. We want to go ahead and set this to match the gauge cluster over here to 5,000 miles. Reset distance. It's already been set to 5,000 miles here. So we're going to select that. And that has been calibrated right here. Now we want to get to the oil filter. So come back to the info, down, enter, and come down to the oil filter. And we want to go ahead and reset that. Here we go. Set that. Use your keypad to go back up to reset distance and enter. And you can see that it's cleared right here. And at that point there, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.